Hi, welcome to my channel. My name's Jasmine and I'm going to show you how to rhinestone your artist jersey. Get ready to screenshot. For your supplies, you'll need rhinestones ranging in mixed sizes, tweezers, a pickup pencil, E6000 glue with precision tips in clear, antiseptic alcohol, 2 mini containers, and a rhinestone tray. Let's get started. One of your mini containers will be used to put rhinestones that are imperfect inside of. If any of your rhinestones get tacky from the glue or doesn't have a shine on it, you're going to want to keep your area clear of that and use that cup to throw those rhinestones inside of. This is a great way to keep your area neat and clear and help you work faster to put rhinestones that are meant to be placed on the jersey on there. The second mini container is used to place alcohol inside of. The alcohol in this container is great for keeping your precision tips clean. Using a napkin or cotton ball, you can clean the tip as you're going along with placing the rhinestones on your jersey and using the glue. The glue will consistently pour out of the precision tips, so it can get tacky. Using the alcohol is a great way to keep your project clean. Another recommendation I have is to use a piece of cardboard box. Cut it to the size of your jersey and stick it in between. This helps to stop the glue from going through to the other side of the fabric, and it also works as a firm surface to work on while you're placing your rhinestones down. All right, it's time to get started. Got the glue cap off. I use this to open it up. Now I'm going to secure my cap. Placing this back on. To begin, you're going to place glue directly onto the jersey letter number. Use the precision tip to work in the glue from left to right, applying enough glue to a smaller section to begin rhinestoning. Now that you have your glue down on your fabric, you'll go ahead and use your pencil to pick up the rhinestones and place them directly on the jersey. You can select any size of the rhinestones to place along the edges of the jersey. I prefer to use the smaller rhinestones to give it a finer look. As you begin placing rhinestones down on the jersey, feel free to use the assorted sizes and build off of that. As you begin to cluster in your rhinestones on your jersey, I want to recommend that you work into small sections. Never place more glue down on the jersey than you're ready to work with. The glue has a tendency to dry really fast, so it is in your best interest to work in small sections at a time and have plenty of stones nearby. Once you have rhinestones placed down, you'll want to use your tweezer to go in and mold your rhinestones for a closer fit. You want to firmly press down and assure that the rhinestones are directly sitting on the fabric and doesn't have any lift. As you're working on this project, you want to make sure to continue to keep your precision tip clean. Use the cup filled with alcohol to dip your precision tip into and wipe it clear of any glue residue that may build up. Using this simple step will help keep your project clean. It will prevent any rhinestones from sticking to the precision tip and allowing you to continue to work quickly as you're placing your rhinestones down. Using your tweezer, you're going to go back into your section and assure that the rhinestones are properly placed down onto the fabric. You're going to go and poke at the rhinestones and make sure that they're all firmly placed in together, and you'll want to make sure that you press down on it directly to assure that the rhinestones are sticking to the fabric. This is a great opportunity to push the rhinestones together and push down and make sure that there is no lift and that they are as close together as they could be. Remember to repeat this process with your tweezers as you are working in each section. This will assure that your stones are completely placed down and you won't have any gaps when you complete your project. Another benefit to using the tweezers is making sure that your rhinestone sizes are adjusted to the particular part that you're working in. If you find that one of the sizes are not working, use your tweezers to lift up those rhinestones and place down the properly sized one that you need. Sometimes the glue can turn into like a string-like form, and you'll see that the rhinestones start to cluster and stick together. Make sure to pull out the cup that you have for your imperfect rhinestones and place those in there to keep your work area clean. If you have any questions about this project or simply need some help, feel free to leave a comment. Now that we've covered the basic steps on how to rhinestone your artist jersey, I'd like to take the time to thank you for watching my video and ask that you please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. I'm looking forward to bringing more content that helps people with their festival looks. Get ready to enjoy the time lapse of me completing this project, and thank you again for watching.